It is truly the world's most wearable AI. It measures only 31.9 millimeters wide and 16 millimeters thin. Despite this small form factor, it has exceptional battery life. The Limitless pendant will offer 100 hours of real-world battery life without needing to swap battery packs throughout the day. While it is recording, an LED is always visible. You can tap it to bookmark a moment or to ask your personalized AI anything. It has an array of microphones that ensure crystal clear audio quality, even in a crowded cafe. We support Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for seamless, reliable syncing, whether you have your phone with you or not. It does all of this and looks absolutely stunning. We're offering 8 beautiful colors that will go with any outfit. Just as you wouldn't exercise without your fitness tracker, you won't want to work without your pendant. How much will the pendant cost? Just $699. That doesn't look right. Let's drop the 6. Just $99. It's cleaner. We're offering this special price for a limited time only.